Hello students, welcome to medicoRAS. Today we are going to discuss
the pollinating agent. From that pollen pistil interaction we have the portion. So question number 16 now. See, in this statement, first statement, what they have given, the moth deposits its egg in the locule of the ovule. Is it ovule inside? Inside that it has a locule, or inside the ovary it has locule? It should be ovary, right? It should not be ovule. So this statement is wrong. What we can say? Come to the next statement. Larvae of moth comes out from the egg as the seeds start developing. Yes, this is true. So what we can give, first one is wrong and second one is correct. So let's see that. Yes, see, the first statement is wrong and the second statement is correct. Fine. Come to question number 17 then. If the pollen is wrong type, then pistil rejects the pollen by, see how pistil can be reject that pollen if the prevents pollen germination on the stigma, prevents pollen germination in the style, both 1 and 2. See, pollen germination on the stigma, this is also true. If germination is not there, then definitely tube is not going to form inside the style, right? So here both the options are again correct. Next, come to see question number 18. The distribution of dash and dash are limited due to the need of water for the transport of male gametes and fertilization. We know algae are the aquatic, so algae we can't consider. But we know bryophytes are the amphibian, that means they are terrestrial, but they require water for the transportation of the male gamete. At the same time, pteridophyte is also having the same issue. So what we can give answer? Second option is the correct answer. I hope everyone understood. Yes. So let's check question number 19 then. Which of the following freshwater plants shows water pollination? So if it is water pollination and they are asking about the freshwater plants, then definitely it is goes answer for the hydrilla and vallisneria. Very common example, and you have that answer in your textbook as well, right? Chalo. So let us go for question number 20. Now check this one. The events from pollen deposition on the stigma until pollen tube enter into the ovule are known as or referred to as what? It is the pollen pistil interaction. We know this, right? Interaction means what? You have to germinate, the pollen grain has to germinate and it has to enter into the ovary. Then they have to go for the fertilization and all, then only pollen pistil interaction will be successful. So this is what? First option. Come to the question number 21 then. Dioece can be observed in, please check, dioece means what? Monoecious. I hope you know what is monoecious. That means if it has only unisexual flower, only one type of sex if it is present, then that is known as monoecious flower, right? So papaya is the good example here. Then come to question number 22 please. The corn cob, the tassels that we are seeing are nothing but what? I hope you know this answer. It is stigma and the style both. So answer should be the fourth option. Okay. Come to 23rd question number. If the pollen is right type, then pistil will accept or not. Okay. This type of question it is. So it will accept the pollen, right? It will promote the post-fertilization events also, right? That means growth of the pollen tube and etc. And then after that, it will reach the ovary and it will show the fertilization as well. So what will be the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Fourth is the correct answer. Question number 24, please. The flower pollinated by dash produced foul odor. We know this answer, right? We know it is the flies and if it is beetles, small insects, I hope you know this. If those things are there, then it will get attracted towards the foul kind of odor or smell, right? So what is your answer here? First. Question number 25 please. The number of genera shows water pollination. Water pollination is most common among the monocot, and the number is what? 30 monocot. Yes, we know this 30 monocot genera is going to show us this kind of water pollination. Come to question number 26 please. See what percentage of sugar solution? We know the pollen germination that requires what percentage it is? 10%, right? This is very simple and very common question.